Life without technology? Hard to imagine. From emails to AI tools, digital skills are essential today, but learning them for the first time can feel overwhelming. In this video, I'll share my journey of mastering basic digital skills and how they transformed my efficiency. Let's dive in. My digital journey started with a simple but powerful step: creating my first online account. I chose Gmail because it unlocks access to many online services. With a few simple steps, entering details, verifying my phone number, and setting a secure password, I was in. That first step gave me the confidence to explore more. Sending my first email felt like a big achievement. I typed a subject, a short message, and hit send. That click was a milestone. Later, I learned about attachments, organizing emails, and even avoiding spam, turning email into a powerful communication tool. Instead of searching for my favorite websites repeatedly, I learned to bookmark them. Just click the star icon in Chrome, organize them into folders, and boom, instant access. This trick made browsing smoother and saved me time. One of the biggest game changers was discovering ChatGPT. I typed, "Can you give me blog ideas?" And in seconds, boom, ChatGPT delivered creative suggestions. From writing to brainstorming, it became my go-to digital assistant, saving time and boosting productivity. Looking back, I see how digital skills changed my life. Opening an account, sending emails, bookmarking pages, and using AI. Each step unlocked new opportunities. If you're new to the digital world, don't worry. Start small, stay curious, and keep learning. Your journey begins today. Want more digital tips? Subscribe now. See you in the next video.